In this video, we'll cover the basics of circles, what they are, how to write their equations, and how to graph them. So let's get into it. So what is a circle? A circle is all the points that are a fixed distance called the radius from a center point labeled HK. So we're going to have a center point labeled HK, and then a certain amount of points that are a fixed distance from the center labeled the radius. So a circle is all the points xy that are r units from a fixed point hk. We can describe this using the distance formula. If you recall, the distance formula is d equals x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now, using this distance formula, the distance from any point xy to the center hk is the radius r. So we can rewrite the distance formula as r equals the square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Now, if we square both sides, we get the standard form of a circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And this is the equation of a circle. So the standard form of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. In this form, hk is the center and r is the radius. This equation represents all points xy that are exactly r units from the center. So let's do a quick example. Let's say we are given the standard form of a circle, x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 16. What would the center and radius be? The center would be 3 comma negative 2, and the radius would be the square root of 16, which is 4. Let's do another example. So let's say we're given x squared plus y squared equals 25. What would the center be? And what would the radius be? The center would be the origin, or 0, 0. And the radius would be the square root of 25, which equals 5. Now let's talk about graphing a circle. The steps we're going to follow to graph a circle is we're going to first plot the center. Then we're going to move our units up, down, left, and right. And then we're going to connect those points. So let's do a quick example. Let's say we're given a circle with center 2, -1 and a radius equal to 3. I'll first draw the x and y axis. And so we're going to first plot our center. So it's at 2, so over here, -1. So like right here. So that is our center. And now I'm going to move our units up, down, left, and right. So we're going to move 3 units up, and we're at -1, so we'll be at 2. So our next point will be at 2, 2. Then we're going to move 3 units down, so we'll be at -4. It's like way down here. So 2, -4. Then we're going to move 3 units to the left, which will be at -1. 2, so right here. -1, -1, I mean. And then we're going to move 3 units to the right, which will be at 5, -1. So right here. This is not a good drawing, but this is how you would graph a circle. By connecting all these points. And this is supposed to be the center, but my graph is definitely not the best. That wraps up the basics of circles. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.